This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 25RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a Teagan Onyx interior, sleeps 4, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.